وشەکانی yesterday, ago, last باس لە ڕابردوو دەکەن و بە زۆری لە زمانی ئینگلیزیدا بەکاردەهێنرێن و ئاماژە بەو کارانە دەکەن لە ڕابردوودا کردبوومان. ئێستاش گوێ لە دیالۆگی نێوان لوسیا و کاڤێ بگرن چۆن ئەم وشانە بەکاردێنن.
This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Lucia.
And I'm Kaveh. Guess what? Yesterday, I went to a CrossFit class.
Really? That's great. I don't think I've exercised since last week.
Well, I haven't been to the gym in a month. No, wait. The last time I went was 2 months ago.
All I did yesterday was watch the new Van Damme movie.
No way. I saw that 2 days ago. No, wait. It was last Tuesday.
Past time words like yesterday, last, and ago are commonly used in English.
Lucia and I just used a lot of past time words in talking about things we had done. Now let's find some simpler examples using the independent clause, John went home.
Remember, yesterday means the day before today and can be combined with morning, afternoon, and evening.
John went home yesterday. Or John went home yesterday evening.
Now, last is used with night. Long periods of time, such as week, month, and year, seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter, and days of the week.
So we might say, John went home last night.
John went home last week.
Simple, right? Ago is even simpler. All it means is in the past and follows specific lengths of time, like 5 minutes ago or 5 years ago.